Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. Consolidation. So that is the name of the game now. For the entire December series, Nifty has been trading 26,000 plus minus 300 and looks like that is going to continue. On Friday, US markets closed higher. Even right now, the US futures are slightly higher. Asian markets are mostly higher. But despite that, GIFT Nifty indicating about 40-point gap down. So I do not know, but I do not believe GIFT Nifty today. Even otherwise, so the markets are coming under selling pressure for the last two trading sessions as and when Nifty crossed 26,200 in the spot. And moreover, we are coming closer to the end of the series. So we hardly have 3 more trading sessions, including today. So because of that, the Nifty future premium has contracted so much. So in all probability, Nifty is likely to continue to consolidate because today many European markets are closed for like yesterday was a Christmas. So many markets are closed today, the day after Christmas. So because of this, most probably the volume may be very, very less in the world markets. So therefore, there is a reason for world markets to be in consolidation mode. And as I always say, between Christmas and New Year, the people usually go for a holiday, many big people also. So therefore, the volume usually will be very, very thin. So usually, if there is a trend, so that trend doesn't change in the last week of December. So any trend change happens in the first week of January only. So far for the last four and a half weeks, the Nifty trend is the consolidation, neither upside nor downside. So that's likely to continue. As long as Nifty is not breaking 26,000 on the downside, so the bulls likely to be very happy. So the bulls are likely to feel winner. So as long as Nifty is holding 26,000, so because that all-time high just maybe 1% away from where markets are closing. If it closes above 26,000, 1% market can move anyway. And any one small good news also, one small short covering also. The problem is that because the markets have been consolidating for the last 4 and a half weeks, there are no shorts also. What I have done, I bought some 26,200 put option and sold 26,000 put option, 25,900 put option, 25,800 put option. So as long as Nifty consolidating between 26,000 and 26,200. So both my sell and buy positions will give profit. And of course, on the higher side also, I've done some kind of a setup like I bought 26,000, sold 26, I bought 26,200 call, sold 26,300, 400 and 500. So basically, I want the market to close between 26,000 and 26,300. And of course, if the market either breaks 26,000 on the downside or 26,300 on the higher side, I might start adjusting my positions because I'm not the one who deploy all the capital and then, have a lot of surplus capital available for any kind of adjustments. So, but in all likelihood, so I'm likely make some money either in my put butterfly or I may be making some money in call butterfly. And even last Friday, last trading day, Tuesday, Wednesday, sorry. Also, it has given a very good profit. So going forward, if the market likely consolidate, my buy option will have intrinsic value, but sell options will likely to go to towards zero. So anyway, so we have 3 more trading sessions, but the hope of closing at all-time high, it is still there. I won't say no. It is ruled out. If not intraday all-time high, at least closing all-time high. Closing all-time high 26,216. And 2 times Nifty closed about 26,200 in this month. And 2 or 3 times it tried to close intraday, but on a closing basis it came down. That is exactly the last 2 trading sessions. So who knows, one more attempt, the Nifty might close at least on a closing basis all-time high by the end of this year. So anyway, yesterday I came out with a video, the big crash in 2026. So that has received a very good response. There's a good viewership. So I hope people appreciated that. So I am sincerely hoping that, Nirmala ji do something in budget to revive the sentiment of the stock market. So I will be likely going to budget without any position. So that is my strategy for the budget. But anyway, that's a very long time to discuss. So there's 1 full month in between. So let us see. But I can tell you, if you are taking position for Jan series, do have both buy and sell options, because the volatility index is its lifetime low and the premiums are very, very pathetic. So anytime, on any small news, VIX may spike, so that time if you have both buy and sell options, then the buy option will also spike, so that you will be safe more or less. So this is not the time to take straddle or strangle, and it is a time to take, butterfly and ratio spreads. So time to avoid pure selling options. So otherwise, silver, gold, copper, the run continues. So copper continues to rally. So in here, Hindustan copper hitting all-time high. Gold continues to rally. Here, stocks like Manappuram Finance, Muthoot Finance, MCX, so they are all rallying. And then silver is rallying. Here Hindustan Zinc, which is a proxy play for silver, so that is also rallying. So like all the commodity related things are rallying. So markets are likely to consolidate, but the big question, it's going to consolidate with a positive bias or negative bias. We will know in the first 30 minutes of the trading. And then first 30 minutes, whatever is the trend is likely to continue until the end of the day. So FIIs once again turn net sellers and they continue to sell. So let us see where the market goes today. Let us hope Nifty defends 26,000 and Bank Nifty defends 59,000 on the downside. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.